Alright, I literally just found this a few minutes ago, and instead of saving it for later, I thought I'd make a quick video because I know a lot of you are into AI video tools. So, Higgsfield AI has this thing called the Filmmaker Grant. If your application gets approved, they're giving selected creators 100,000 Higgsfield credits. I thought it sounded interesting, so let's go through it together. I'm on the page now. The first thing you need to do is complete their AI filmmaking pipeline course. Don't worry, it's free. Once you finish it, you'll get a certificate, and that's one of the things they ask for in the application. After that, you'll need to make a showreel. Basically, put together your best AI filmmaking work. It doesn't have to be a 10-minute masterpiece. Just make something that actually represents your creativity. If I were applying, I'd spend more time making one really good showreel instead of rushing it. Once that's ready, upload it publicly. You can use X, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Reddit. Along with the video, write a few lines about why you want to be part of the program. Then come back here, fill out the application form, paste the link to your post, and submit it. That's pretty much the whole process. Now obviously, this isn't guaranteed. They're reviewing applications, so not everyone will get selected. But considering they're offering 100,000 credits, I honestly think it's worth spending an hour or two putting together a solid application. And that's exactly why I'm making this video. I randomly come across websites like this all the time. Companies giving away premium plans, free credits, grants, creator programs, and other perks that most people never hear about. So I thought, why not make a series out of it? This is actually episode 1. From now on, whenever I find something that's genuinely useful and officially available, I'll make a video showing you exactly how to claim it. So if you like finding free premium tools, AI credits, subscriptions, and hidden internet freebies, make sure you subscribe. I have a feeling this series is going to save you a lot of money. And apart from this series, I also make videos on AI tools, productivity, online business, and ways to make money online. So if that's your thing, consider subscribing.